Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss question number 5. When a equal to 0, b equal to -1, find the value of given expression. So there are some expressions given. We find their value when a equal to 0 and b equal to -1. So in the first part it is 2a plus 2b. Given is a equal to 0 and b equal to -1. Given is a equal to 0 and b equal to -1. Now we put the value of a and b in the given expression. So it is equal to 2a. A equal to 0. So 2 into 0 plus 2b. 2 into b. B is -1. So 2 into -1. 2 into 0 is 0. Plus 2 multiplied by -1. It is -2. It is equal to 0 plus -2. It is equal to -2. So this is the answer. Now we move to second part. It is 2a square plus b square plus 1. So a equal to 0, b equal to -1. We find the value of this expression. Given a equal to 0 and b equal to -1. So it is 2a square. A equal to 0. So 2 into a square. A equal to 0. It is 0 square. Plus b square, b equal to -1, it is -1 square plus 1. So it is equal to 0 square is 0, 0 multiplied by any one number, that is 0, plus -1 square, -1 multiplied by -1 plus 1. Now it is equal to 0 plus 1 is 1. So -1 multiplied by -1, minus overtake, it is plus. So plus 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this is the answer. Now we move to third part. 2a square b plus 2ab square plus ab. We find the value of this expression by using the given value a equal to 0 and b equal to -1. So given is a equal to 0, b equal to -1. Now we find the value of the expression. So it is equal to 2a square b. 2 into a square, a equal to 0, it is 0 square. B is -1 plus 2ab square. A is 0, 2 into 0, b square, b is -1 square plus ab. A is 0, b is -1. So it is equal to 0 square means 0 multiplied by 0 is answer is 0 and 0 is multiplied by any number, we get answer 0. So again plus 2 into 0 -1 square, 0 is multiplied by any number, we get answer 0, plus 0 multiplied by -1, answer is 0. So we get answer 0. So now we move to next question, question number 4. It is a square plus ab plus 2. We find the value of this expression by using a equal to 0 and b equal to -1. So given is a equal to 0 and b equal to -1. A square, a equal to 0, it is 0 square plus ab. A is 0, b is -1, 0 into -1 plus 2. So 0 square is 0 plus 0 multiplied by any number, we get answer 0 plus 2. So on adding them, we get answer 2. This is the answer. So this is all about question number 4. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.